Hi students, welcome to Science Within You. This year, the National Medical Entrance Exam NEET 2021 will be held in a new format. As to compensate the academic loss of students during the pandemic, schools couldn't reopen and learning had to be imparted online. In order to bring uniformity in the exam structure and the current syllabus of class 12 students, which has been reduced, the NEET has been made some changes. Let's see what are those. You all know that NEET is a medical entrance exam and it is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. This year, the National Testing Agency is conducting NEET exam 2021 on September 12th. The NEET exam will be held in 11 regional languages. Apart from English and Hindi, total 13 languages NEET will be held in. And the candidates who opt for regional language will be given a bilingual question booklet. The booklet contains the language of the selected region and English. This year, the change in the pattern is inclusion of choice, similar to that of the board exams. And for each subject, physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, there will be two sections, section A and section B. In section A, each subject, there will be 35 questions and each question carries 4 marks, 35 into 4, 140. Total of 140 into 4, 560 marks from section A. And in section B, there will be 15 questions from each subject and students have to attempt only 10 questions. They can leave 5 questions for choice. And for 40 questions, each question carries 4 marks. So 40 into 4, 160 marks in total for section B. And both sections together 560 plus 160, 720 marks in total. As usual, that of the previous year. From 200 questions, the students have to attempt 180 questions. But be careful, don't waste time in choice. That is, don't waste time in selecting the choice questions. The exam is not online. You have to bubble the answers in OMR sheet. So before going to the exam hall, keep these instructions in mind. Each correct answer will be awarded 4 marks and 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. So while bubbling the answer, think twice and only mark the answer if you are 90% sure about that. Once aspirant mark their answers in OMR sheet, it is not possible to change it. So once if you attempt the answer, you cannot rub because you are bubbling the sheet with pen. So think twice before attempting the answer. Multiple answers cost negative marks, so be careful. You should not attempt multiple answers. You have to bubble only one circle. All answers should be marked using ballpoint pen provided inside the exam hall. Who knows? One can put camera in his pen, so the NTA is very strict and they give pen only inside the exam hall. You have to attempt with that pen only. Coming to cutoff. This cutoff is for qualifying in it, not for getting seat. And the cutoff score for 2020 is for unreserved category, the cutoff is 147 and in 2019 it is 134. For ST, SC and OBC, 113 is the cutoff mark and in 2019 it was 107. For general physically handicapped people, the cutoff in 2020 is 129 and 2019 was 120. See, the difference is there. For every year, the cutoff is increasing. You have to prepare keeping that in mind. And the cutoff will also depend upon the difficulty of the paper and number of people attempting the test. If you want to know qualifying marks and rank to get the seat and the procedure of qualifying different categories, you can comment me in the comment section. I will make another video for that. Thank you.